Iyahluka imibono ngemva kokubonakala kwevideo egekiswe enkundleni zezokuthintana emalungana nomholi we-Operation Dudula uNhlanhla Lux Muhlawuli.
There was a misinterpretation where my brother here in one of the videos or photos said, I'm an African, these are my African brothers and that and that. And some people misunderstood and misinterpreted that, and it caused the public spat as if there are differences, and yet there were no differences.
Umuhlawuli uthi kwanje uphezu kwamahlelo wepalamende yeSoweto njengomana alilunga layo. Mhlapha nje lehlangano bebambe ijima lokumachele ofisini kaMeyara malungana nendaba zokuqindeliswa kwegezi kunye nendaba zemikhawulo yeSewula Afrika.
We've been sorting out bigger problems from day one. We've been speaking about how are we going to make sure that other civic movements around Operation Dudula do not die because we've all now rushed into Operation Dudula. So these are conversations that have been there. These are not conversations that come out because we now have problems. We don't have problems. We just had small differences that emerged from 30 people singing a song that made it on social media, and those 30 people were thought to be representing the views of Operation Dudula.
Umhlawuli uziphikile insolo zokuthi uhlela ukuzisungulela ihlangano yakhe yezipolitiki.